Hi, my name is Kathy Tout, the owner of At Your Service Plumbing. My team has found some homeowners would like to know how to do minor plumbing repairs on their own, however need a little guidance. So we got together and created a series of do-it-yourself videos showing how you might tackle some simple tasks. Please keep in mind the technicians have knowledge, experience, and the proper tools, so it may tend to look super easy. The tips they give you will hopefully save you multiple trips to the hardware store and allow you to possibly fix the problem yourself. Please notice the disclaimer listed in the video notes below and across each video itself. Let's get started with video number 1. Brett is going to show you how to change out your toilet seat.
Hi, my name is Brett and I'm a trainee with At Your Service Plumbing. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a toilet seat and put a new one on. So first, for this toilet seat, it's a quick disconnect, so all I have to do is turn these to the right, pull right here, and lift up, and then it comes right off. So once you have that off, you're going to see these screws. You're going to need a screwdriver or a 6-way. What I would recommend is put it on here and hold this nut down here and then turn it clockwise to break it free. And then once you have it free, you're going to undo the wing nut. All right. Once you have the wing nut off, just move it off to the side. We'll do the same one on this side. So now we will grab our new toilet seat and line it up with the holes. Now we will grab our screw and our wing nut and just put it in and get it started. Get it nice and tight. Now when you start getting this tighter, I would recommend grabbing your 6-way and then just holding the screw and turning counterclockwise to tighten the toilet seat. All right. So once you have it all tight, you're going to close the caps, check for straightness, and there you go. New toilet seat's installed. Thank you.
I trust the information in this video was helpful for you. If you find at any time you either don't have the right tools, you don't want to make trips back and forth to the hardware store, or you just don't want to spend your valuable time doing this task, please give At Your Service Plumbing a call and ask to schedule your own personal plumbing professional to come and assist you. Our client care representatives would be happy to provide you a 2-hour arrival window, which works for you. If you have other plumbing issues, we offer several videos in this Do-It-Yourself series. Please comment suggestions for future videos, and we thank you for joining us.